The only tool required for this install is a ratchet, extension, and a 7mm socket. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we'll be installing headlights on 06 to 13 Chevy Impala. Let's get started. After popping open your hood, you can remove this white retention clip by pulling up and out. 7mm socket with an extension. Remove this bolt right here. After removing that bolt, you're going to want to firmly grab the headlight and pull forward to loosen it. And angle it out. Once the headlight is out, unclip the harness like so. And grabbing your Spyder headlight, you're gonna reinstall in reverse fashion, clipping in the harness here. And sliding in your headlight. Pop back in your retention clip, lining up the slots. Pressing down and resecure the 7mm bolt. Once that's done, repeat the same process on the other side. Now that your headlights are installed, we're going to close the hood and test out our functions.